2026 Honda Accord Hybrid. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.